Hello, friends. Welcome to the show HR by Nature, where we talk to people and take their opinion mostly on the HR angle. Today, our guest is Mr. Rishi Kapoor, who is a part of Formal's team at Blackberries. Rishi has been working with Blackberries for the last 9 years or so. He is also known for his sincerity and analytics. Welcome to the show, Rishi.
Hi Mayank, how are you doing?
Very good, Rishi. Glad to
And
have you on this show.
thanks a lot. It's my pleasure. And it's always been good to see you, good, cool, and calm face in such a pandemic situation. So I feel good to see
Thank
you
you so
around.
much. Thank you
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much, Rishi. That's a compliment.
Uh,
So, our today's discussion is around this pandemic and lockdown only.
yeah, yeah. So it's a hot topic these days.
Yes, yes, it is. So, Rishi, it's been more than around 40 days since the lockdown has happened. Everybody's working from home. How are you dealing with this?
See, Mayank, initially I think it was a little depressing because work from home and these all things are very new. Plus, at home also the duties got increased of family members also. So situation was little hard the first week, and it was looking like just you get up, work, eat, sleep, and repeat. So this was the thing. Yeah, after 7 or 8 days, I realized that because it seems what we see in the news that we'll not be able to cope up this situation. The around I think 1 month or 2 months it was looking
Hmm.
like. So I thought to change the scene at home. So what I tried is I made a schedule. So what schedule? That schedule includes my uh, kid activity. That was the most important one because for him I am at home, so he thinks that I am off from the office. Yeah, but
Available
it's
for
not
him
the
all the
reality.
time.
Yes, and it's not the reality. So I made the schedule and briefed to my family members that from say from 10 to 7 I'll be working for the office, and yes, there is a good chance of having lunch with me. So we'll have lunch together. Right.
Right.
And then in the evening what I did is after 7 I briefed my family members, then I will create and I will schedule an activity for my uh, adult members in the family. So what I did is I organized a tambola, a digital tambola, right?
Very good.
So I engage almost 25 to 30 family members all around Calcutta, Bareilly, Delhi, Noida, and we play tambola, and it's a set time from 8 to 8:30. So
Wow.
yes. So they actually, after doing so much of home activities in a daytime, they now really enjoy that half an hour of the evening. It is a stress buster for them. And then afterwards, there is a Ludo competition. So Ludo competition is between us, all the cousins, and then at the end we play a treasure hunt game. So from 8 till 11:30 I engage my family in these activities, so they are also happy and I am also happy that I have worked 10 to 7 coolly and calmly. And that's the bottom line, that everyone is set at the end of the day and sleeping with a happy face. So
That's
that
wonderful. That's wonderful. I would say that's
it,
wonderful adaptability and improvisation too. So that's good to
yes,
know. You're keeping all your family members engaged.
because that is very important, because if they are not happy, then I am sure that I'll not able to work for my 8 to 9 hours with
Of
a good
course.
output. Yeah,
Of
so
course.
that
Of
was
course. So that's really
so
nice to know. So I hope you're also happy about your output.
very much, because what I think is this is the I what I have taken this as a challenge, that this is a golden time to invest in what I was not able to do in office due to some firefighting, some emergency work, or maybe maybe in office there are a lot of people coming around and talking, so there is so the concentration was not there. But right now I plan my day in the morning and go accordingly, and there is no such disturbance and nothing. So it is a now very concentration scenario from
Very good.
earlier. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. That is how it happens. And you have
Yes.
taken it in a very, very sporting way, and it is very, very nice way.
Yeah.
Very good, Rishi. So,
Thank you.
my next question is that how do you engage your team members in this lockdown? You may have a huge team,
Yeah.
a formal team. How do you engage them?
See, we start the day with a daily call, and that call starts with everyone's well-being first. So how's everything going? So if somebody is having a business at home, so how they are coping up with that business. So is there any problem or some health issues? So we try to or there are some delivery issues also. It is very important nowadays. Egg, milk, bread. So some
Of
delivery issues. So
course.
we are just checking for each other, and then we start a day with the work schedule which we want to do and take the daily task. And secondly, it is very important to identify one's own best abilities, and this is, I think, the right time to do them. So always telling them that this is a golden time to sharpen your axe. So maybe because I want them to be in the activities which they are not doing at the time when we were in office. So say it is the analysis which we do not involve into in the office time, a learning phase. So learning that set exam, I can set an example that we have a new BI system. So
Yes.
business intelligence system. So
Yes.
I am the spoke for the BI for all the brands. So in that case, I involved the team members to have a BI session daily for 1 hour each module. So we have covered 20 modules in 20 days, and now
Wow.
everyone is working on that module and getting the reports, making the analysis. So they are now hands on. But I am sure if we were in the office, this would not have been possible for all the members to get together and
Yes, this would have been
just
challenging
be, yes,
because
yes,
they
yes.
have their own task at hand.
Right, right, right. So that was the very best thing, and others that they are involving. You see, in our scenario, the product last what we analyze is maybe 3 years of data. So there are 6 seasons. So what I have done is recently I have been given the casual and urban jackets also jackets part
Okay.
also. So now
Added
I'll be
responsibility,
look,
you can
yes,
say.
yes, added responsibility. So what I did was I asked my team member to make a 6 season data master also, and that is very important to analyze any time. So now we are ready with any firefighting comes
Very
after
good.
lockdown is over and we are into office. So
Right.
we are getting those guns loaded now.
Very nice, Rishi.
Yeah.
So, as you said, sharpening the axe is a part of 7 habits of highly effective people also.
Yes,
So, one of
yes,
the
yes,
habit.
of course. Yeah.
Very good, Rishi. So, the way you are handling your team is commendable.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Right, Rishi. So that comes to the last question. Rishi, what is your expectation or your team's expectation from the HR team as of now?
See, basically, what we are into direct contact with our department heads, right? So we have another level which also comes in the meeting, but daily we interact. And what I think is that uh, somewhere there should not be a sense of fear in their mind of maybe lose, because market is right now, market is very, see, going in a different manner. So they are listening much of news and see what WhatsApp chats and all. So I think in that case more activities to make them the direct conversation with the junior team members, because what they think is sometimes it comes in the mind that am I important to the company, or maybe if I am not there, my reporting manager will do all the work, so maybe I am not important. So I think that we should make them feel important. Right now it is very the first priority would be that in such case. And secondly, what activities we are doing to engage our firebirds. What I'm seeing in the group, we have daily activities, and I'm very happy to see that frontliners are much engaged in that, and it is very important to engage them because they are not directly related to the head office environment, and they are getting the news at the last. Any news
Right.
comes, they get at the last. So it is very good on that part. And lastly, I would say a kid engagement activity will be very good. So if any kids competition or something can be done, it is a very good thing, because they will, because once we have done, I think once HR has initiated in the office, but to get
Yes.
them back from Noida to Gurgaon was a
Yes.
little, but now digitally, I think it's for future also we can continue it digitally.
That's a
So
wonderful point, Rishi. We have taken that, we have noted that point, and we'll soon do something about it.
great, great. Thanks, man. That is great.
Thank you so much, Rishi, for being on the show. It was really wonderful having you here.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Same here. Same here.
Thank you, friends, for watching us. I'll be soon back with some other personality. Till then, namaste.
Namaste.